Okay, so welcome back to Carolina Marine Group, and who do we have with us today?
Captain Dave, it's Jan and Emma.
And where are you guys from?
Originally from South Africa.
Beautiful.
And we relocated to the United States and absolutely loving it. It's awesome.
Beautiful. Well, welcome on board our boat. And where are you guys staying while you're in Charleston?
Well, we're staying on the Southern Comfort.
Beautiful.
And we are really enjoying it. It's an absolutely luxurious, awesome yacht. And in many ways, as you said, it's almost more comfortable than home. It has heat, it has aircon, it has a great galley, everything's there.
So you say heat. What's the temperature out now, do you think?
Well, it is winter time. Outside it's chilly, but in here it's balmy and we're loving it.
Beautiful.
It's great, both on the yacht and here.
So we're out on our other boat right now, so we're out doing a charter in Charleston Harbor.
Yeah.
And it's probably about 35, maybe 40 degrees right now, but we're out and you guys are enjoying it. We're sitting inside right now only just to shoot this video, but how is it out? I mean, you guys have been outside most of the time?
It's fine. It's really not an issue. As long as you wear a little jacket like this, it's fine. You can enjoy yourself tremendously. You see the harbor, be outside. Yeah, it's really not bad.
And Emma, there's a nice interior here for you to come in and get out of it.
Yeah, it's in there. It's nice and warm, and you can still see everything and enjoy it.
Beautiful, beautiful. Well, I'm glad you guys are having a great time in Charleston. I'm glad you guys are staying on board Southern Comfort, and you also decided to do a charter with us.
Absolutely, and we're really loving it, and thanks for your hospitality. It's been awesome, and we will be back.
Excellent.
And we will recommend you.
Oh yeah.
We appreciate that. We love having you guys on board both boats.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, guys.